Hi, I'm Max. I'm the compliance specialist for CorCystems, and I'll be talking about training and developing technicians and the importance of it to us here at CorCystems. There's obviously many reasons you would want to get your employees trained up to the highest standards, but we take a lot of pride in the amount of dedication to the training course that we put the technicians through. At first, it's a lot of shadowing, sitting with a technician of an elevated status, watching how they do it. And once they're comfortable seeing how things go, sitting them in front of the keyboard, having them take action while someone sits and shadows them. That way, they've got somebody to look over to. Hey, how do I approach this? How do I make changes there? And then finally, you have them on their own approaching tasks, but still having resources available to ask for. So by kind of staging it out, we're never really rushing anyone to the desk, giving them plenty of opportunity to adjust and acclimate to different client environments and how certain situations would be approached. It's a very satisfying part of my job. I like seeing the technicians get a concept clicking, coming from something being brand new to all of a sudden that aha moment is always one of my favorite things. It's tough because in IT, technicians always want to be 100% perfect, and it can be tough to ask for help. But we train them, never hesitate. Always, reach out if you're not 100% sure before pulling the trigger on something, because you never know what the outcome could be if you've never approached a certain type of problem solving scenario before. So we're big in the communal help here.